Hi, I want to show you how to use the Monzone tailgate. This one is a new product of Monzone. Okay, we have the normal button, then we have the footstep button, and we also have the wireless control. Okay, first you want to use the tailgate, better you start the engine, let the engine got charging, then got enough power to control the tailgate. First we turn on the power. Okay, then this one is the up down button, and this one is down button. Swing up and then swing up, swing down. What is the special is, if we want to use the footstep button, we don't need to turn on another switch, then we straight like that can use already. Come, show me. Okay. Okay, keep the center button, then press this one, is up. Then down is keep the center, then press that one, is down. Okay, so just that simple. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to use the wireless control. Here we got one switch on off. First we on the button, turn on the button. Okay, then put 1 second at the on button until the light green, then we straight can use already. Normal up, then normal down. If you want to swing, then you just press 2 buttons. Then swing down, press 2 buttons. After use, press 2 seconds. Okay, power off.